Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can create yourself Priceline account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Priceline app. And after opening your Priceline app, now here you can tap on the notification option there you can see in the bottom right corner right here. So after tapping on notifications, here you can see two different options. Tap on create account. So after tapping on create account, now fill up your email address, create yourself a strong password for your account that should be at least of 8 characters including one lowercase. Then type down your first name and last name. Or if you want to link up your Priceline account with your Facebook or Google or even Apple account, you can tap on those options that you can see below here. So I'm going to manually create myself an account. Here you can see I have successfully added my details, and if you want notification of price special offers, you can simply tap on keep me posted special offers. But if you don't want that, you can skip it and simply tap on create account. And just like this, here you can see you have now successfully created yourself a Priceline account. You can tap on this me option right here. And here you can see this is your account. And that is it. That is how you create yourself a Priceline account. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.